Hey folks, it's Chef Kevin. Tonight I'm making a nice little summer side dish. I'm making pasta with fresh garden herbs. This is light and healthy and tasty. And I'm also going to show the sunset I had last night here at my house on the picture-in-picture. Now, what does that have to do with cooking pasta? Nothing, but people seem to enjoy it. I have a lot of nice ingredients here. Let's take a closer look. Okay, we got a lot of fresh ingredients here. That's the key to any good dish, is fresh herbs. I have cilantro. You can use parsley. I like cilantro better, so I'm going to use cilantro. You can use a mix of cilantro and parsley if you like. Entirely up to you. I have a head of garlic, although I'm not going to use all that. I have a bunch of homegrown basil, and that was given to me by my neighbor across the street, Barbara. Thank you again, Barbara, if you're going to watch the video. I have my homegrown mint here. I have some sun-dried tomatoes, a lemon, fresh ground pepper, salt, and I'm using pappardelle pasta. And I like this pasta for this dish because it has a coarse texture to it, which makes the seasoning stick to it easier. I have my water heating up, and what I'm going to do is prep these veggies. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm washing my herbs, and how I'm doing this is I'm just putting it into a large bowl of cold water, and I have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and that is nature's cleaning agent. There may be dust on here, there may be bugs on here, who knows. I'm sure there'll be some sort of grit at the bottom of the bowl. So I'm going to let this soak 10-15 minutes and then rinse it with clean water. Let that soak another 10 minutes or so, and then I'm going to dice them up. Here's the garlic prep. I'm using a garlic press instead of dicing the garlic because I want the garlic to be very fine. So you get a nice crushed garlic out of here, and the juices go with it. I have 6 pieces of garlic here. That may sound like a lot, and it is. It's a garlic fest tonight. My water's still coming up to temperature. My herbs are soaking. Garlic done. Vegetable prep is finished. I have probably over a cup of cilantro. I would say about a half cup of fresh mint. Mint can be very intense, so you don't want to overuse it. And I have about a half cup of basil, my 6 cloves of garlic. I have about a half cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, and my lemon is ready to go. The pasta is ready to cook, and I'm trying to time this all so that as soon as the pasta is finished, these herbs can go into the pasta. Pasta is always served. Pasta is always best when served fresh. Okay, the pasta is almost done. So I'm going to start my herbs. Olive oil. This is sauteing and stir frying. You don't want to use a heavy oil on this. You don't want to taste the oil. I'm going to add my garlic first. I'm going to stir that around. I'm not going to let it get too much color. I don't want that to burn for sure. This is going to go really quick. Fresh herbs cook quickly. Smells awesome. Okay, the garlic's been cooking for 2 minutes. It's got a nice little brown coloring to it. Don't want that to burn. I'm going to add the chopped sun-dried tomatoes. This just smells so great. No doubt about it. Fresh ground pepper. You have to use fresh ground pepper. If you don't, you're insulting the food. Little sea salt. In the meantime, the pasta has been drained. I'm not going to rinse it. I'm going to introduce it into this herb mixture quite shortly. Smells so good. Did I say that already? Alright. Another minute. Okay, that was about a minute. I'm going to start putting my fresh herbs in there. It's my cilantro. My basil and mint. Now when you're using fresh herbs like this, you really don't want to cook the hell out of them because it'll just become just mush. That, my friends, is ready. Heat off. Going to put my pasta in there. The pasta is still quite warm. Let's do this better. I need a pasta fork. There we go. Toss that around a bit. Okay, that was half a pound of pasta. That wasn't the whole bag. Okay, let's serve this up. So here we have it, folks. Pappardelle with fresh herbs. And what I'm going to do is take this lemon and just grind off the skin. This will give it a nice tart flavor. Lemon is very healthy. Now the only thing that could possibly make this a little bit better is fresh Parmesan cheese. Please don't use the prepackaged ground up stuff. There's additives in that. It's not really good. Well, let's give it the taste test. What's better than fresh herbs with pasta? Come to Papa. You can just taste the freshness. This is so great. I think I'm going to cancel my Domino's order. Give it a twirl. This is such a great summer side. Okay, folks. My parents taught me that it's impolite to talk with your mouth full. So, if you like my video, if you like me, for whatever reason, if you like my pasta, if you like my sunsets, then throw me a friggin' bone here.
Throw me a frickin' bone here.